stretch for miles beneath Darkmoor. Even I haven't uncovered all the secrets my great-great-grandfather left down here. Igor, take control of their machine.
Igor got it. Don't worry. Oh, you're gonna love this.
Brace yourselves and witness my masterpiece, Dracula, under my control. Now, activate the machine. Something's wrong. Igor, Dracula must not escape.
Who set the nightmares free? My brothers. Now feast!
Doctor, what is it? You're not gonna like this. They're out! They're all out! Even the really ugly one!
Don't let anything touch you.
Who's the true monster? I found in chains. Only one comes out there.
Don't listen to him! There's another way out. Come on! Get back! No! Igor, we need daylight!
You got it, boss.
Will you fear the dark, my friends? You can't hide from me.
Enough! All monsters will bow to the name Frankenstein.
What the doctor means is thank you for coming. Now, only good reviews, yeah?